Hey guys, so today is Thursday, April the 26th. As you guys probably saw, it's in the title or in the description or something like that. We should have been down in PA, Johnstown, for my student. Y'all know him, or should by now, to upgrade. But in the great world of trucking, nothing seems to go the way you were planning or hoping. The load that we were supposed to have that was going to get us down there, someone else got it. Long story short, oh well. Screw it. So we're down here on the island on a Thursday at 3 o'clock, gridlocked. I mean, it's like murder out there. So we're going to go over to our last store, which is Valley Stream. I'm pulling up the map here so you can see just a ton of red and a lot of glare. So we're gonna go down to Valley Stream and we're gonna make our delivery, and then it's not all that far from where he lives, and so he's gonna take me out to a Jamaican restaurant. So I probably will start editing this video and then add the that restaurant on here and stuff. I don't know. Can't say I have had really any kind of Jamaican food, so that's going to be really kind of interesting. And you know, for my longtime viewers, you guys know I love trying new food when I'm out. So you know, when life gives you lemons and traffic, you make lemonade and you eat good food. I mean, it is what it is. I already got a new student. Talked to him on the phone. So I'll be picking him up later on tonight. I don't know if I will be doing a video or doing a 2 uploads tonight, or I might do some video and upload that tomorrow or something. I don't know how I'm gonna exactly approach that yet. On top of that, I don't know if he wants to be on video. So, hey, that is all yet to be seen or known. But on a side note, I am looking at some property in Texas. I'm looking at buying some property, and that's going to be really cool. And if I do buy property, you know, I'm going to do Patreon. And I'm actually probably going to set a Patreon before this video is uploaded. So look in the description for the link. And I'm thinking that, you know, every now and then I might, you know, do a big old party blowout thing where I'll invite people like him to come on out to my land. Cook some food. Drink some beer. Drink some beer, bonfire, maybe shoot some guns. All kinds of cool, you know, cool fun stuff, whatever, you know, because I am looking at buying 20 acres, so it's going to be a decently sized, you know, place. But you know, that's something that's coming in the works, and yeah. And then on top of that, I gotta start trying to clear out my garage I have at the house. I'm gonna start doing some build videos. From firearms to tinkering, just all kinds of stuff, because I'm a tinker, and you know, with me not trying to run a business, it's really allowed me to free up a lot of money that I can actually buy some of the things I've wanted to buy but haven't been able to, and as well as still put money in the bank to, you know, build a business and all that. So having a little bit of freedom to spend a little bit, have a little bit of fun, is going to make some great video content for you guys. And New York right there. Let's see if everybody moves out of that guy's way or not. Oh, okay. Oh, that red. Oh, all right. That red car stopped. I was thinking that red car over there was going to try to sneak out. Hey, not too bad. Hey, that white car shifted onto the side, so not too bad. I've seen some people just flat out not move at all. So that's not too bad. And we are still on the island, as you probably saw from the Google Maps. So yeah, that's pretty much for, you know, the updates. I will keep y'all posted on the land. You know, I'm kind of torn on buying it this year or next year. I am talking to a real estate agent. She sent me some stuff, and oh man, she sent me some really cool stuff. So I'm looking. But anyway, thanks for watching. Actually, let's not do the intro yet, because this video will be picked up again later down the road. Anyway, thank you. Hey guys, alright, so didn't really do any video while eating, and sorry it's kind of dark in here. It is nighttime. Today has really been a long ass day. This is the last time you will see that guy in my truck, hopefully. We just got to the PA terminal where he is going to be upgrading. And, oh, by the way, just before you upgrade tomorrow, at some point, call the terminal up there. And that way they get you over there on your book, on their books, instead of you getting stuck with an OTR or something like that. So, yeah, Walmart up there. Just call the DC and talk to them. They'll get it taken care of. So, my new student has been patiently waiting over here at this terminal. He's been a little frazzled. I could understand it. The hiring on process here at Swift can be long and tedious, as he knows the waiting period when you're waiting for your mentor can seem like it drags on forever. Mind you, it did kind of drag on forever. It is midnight.
You guys not flying planes, you know, we drive truck, so you have to wait some time.
True story. So
for pilots, then
even pilots have delays. So I'm gonna probably pause or stop this video. I got quite a bit of editing to do. He's gonna be getting his stuff together. We're gonna go in, get him a hotel, get my new student on the truck, and then tomorrow we're gonna shut down here, and then tomorrow we'll work on either running for the Walmart down here, or we might go back up to New York. I'm not sure. But we are going to be getting some more cooking videos coming up soon, because him and me are going to be spending some time cooking. My student has no idea what's about to happen. He's going to eat some good food. It's not going to be McDonald's. He's probably thinking he's going to be eating McDonald's, but he's going to have some really good food coming up. Anyway, thank you for watching. This video may continue into part number 2. If it continues in part number 2, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. If this does not go in part number 2, this part will be cut out. Later.